Never let them tell you what you can't do. Gotta change all that.
Requiring because you guys won't take a verbal.
That is what you're going to require for a non-active common parts.
Right.
I mean, you realize that you guys are totally embarrassing your county, right?
Yeah, he is.
I realize that we're trying the best we can to handle two people that are utterly unreasonable.
How is me getting assaulted unreasonable? And me wanting, how am I being unreasonable whenever all I want is accountability? How is that unreasonable?
Like I said,
No, you tell me right now. How is that?
get out of my office.
You get out of your office.
Get out of my office.
You get out of your office.
I'm telling you one last time. Get out of my office.
Don't get up in my face.
Get out of my
Don't
office.
get up in my face. I'm having a conversation. You said I'm being unreasonable. I'm asking how
He
I'm
asked
being
a
unreasonable.
question.
Exit my office,
Tell
or
me.
you will be removed.
No, I won't.
Call in. That's enough.
Yeah, you're enough. Yeah, you're intimidating me with a gun in your head?
I wear a gun on my head.
You're intimidating me with a gun in your head. You're intimidating me with your gun in your head?
I'm not gonna.
He did walk up on you in a threatening manner. He did walk up on you in a threatening manner, holding his hand back there, waiting to pull it. So yeah, that is kind of threatening. That is not right.
No, we're not. I want you to answer that question. You're going to say that I'm unreasonable. I want you to tell me how me being assaulted and wanting accountability, how that's unreasonable.
Okay, we'll lay it out one more time. I told you, make it in writing, make it at the sheriff's office, it will be handled. You're refusing to do so.
No, I'm not. I just said I would. You don't listen.
Yeah,
Then why don't you do it?
Well, I just said I would.
because you made a statement and he asked you to stand behind it.
Because I want accountability for your guys' bullshit ass, pussy ass sheriff.
Get out of my office. We're done. We're done.
What? I can't redress my grievances?
You're not going to cuss in my office. I have to say whatever the fuck I want. Now it's
What?
Get out now.
No, it's not.
What happened to freedom of speech?
I have
What?
freedom of speech.
What happened to freedom of speech? You should know that. You took the bar, didn't you? You took the bar. You should know freedom of speech, don't you?
I do know freedom of speech. I also know there's no freedom to cuss.
There isn't? Really? Isn't that just speech?
You're going to be disbarred, dude.
Yeah. No freedom to cuss. That's the most ignorant thing I've ever heard an attorney say.
You are not.
Whatever. You don't have freedom to cuss. Oh.
Hold on, dude. State police, wait until they're called out. Refusal of service, unprofessional, won't investigate. You're gonna look like a toad.
Wait, were you asking him to leave or me to leave? I wasn't sure which one.
I have no reason to force you.
I didn't.
For me to leave? So I'm still welcome?
I don't care if you're offended. I don't care about your feelings. How's that sound?
Uh-oh. Are they feelings enforcement or law enforcement? We're wondering.
Pretty sure it says that there's no weapons allowed on the door.
No what?
I think it says that there's no weapons allowed.
Missouri statute on possible material on care.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That doesn't make any sense.
What kind of life do you live that you believe that you need that? Like, where do you hang out? Where do you hang out that you think that somebody's going to come attack you at the courthouse?
I would probably carry one too, yeah.
I wouldn't. I don't carry one
He
now.
lives in a county where a sheriff is going to assault people, so.
Well, that's true. And then he's gonna try to blame them for the sheriff assaulting him. True. I guess that would build the wrong kind of audience.
I'm still waiting for you to answer my question. It's a little bit on here.
Is that all the answers you're going to get?
So you're just going to make a statement that's not true, and then you're going to get mad at me for cussing, and you're going to try to call the cops on me for cussing.
I told you to leave my office. You refused.
I have you made a statement about me, and I asked a question, and then you approached me with your gun in your head.
I've been the gun on my head the entire time.
No, I didn't.
But you didn't approach him in an aggressive manner until then.
Well, why did I see it then?
Because I turned around. I didn't just suddenly materialize on my left hip. It's been here the whole time. It was here the last time you were here.
Was it?
Yes.
But you didn't show it to me then.
It's in the same spot it was then.
Well, you showed it to me this time, didn't you?
I have not showed it to you.
Then how did I see it?
If you saw it. I took no affirmative action for you to see it. You simply saw it.
You didn't. You said you turned. Then I saw it.
I did. I turned around.
So I saw it because you're acting. All I'm doing is just asking a question, right?
I told you what you need to do. You're refusing to do it.
No, I didn't. I said I would go do it. But I want to know how I'm.
Oh,
how
Lou,
I'm
you're so
doing this
cute.
Because I want.
I'm glad you're watching.
There's plenty of video about why you're ridiculous, sir. That's enough.
What?
So that's enough.
No, what did you say before that?
So there's plenty of video of you being ridiculous. Enough's enough.
There's plenty of me. There's plenty of me being ridiculous.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is ridiculous a misdemeanor or a felony?
Neither. It's not-
Oh, okay. I was just wondering.
Well, I think that you're totally unreasonable, and I also think that you should not be a lawyer if you don't think that somebody can cuss. Watch. Fuck, shit, damn, cock. I can say whatever I want. It's called freedom of speech. Grow the fuck up.
Do you want your door shut?
I got it.
Okay. Thanks for your time, guys.
Oh, here's the base. Oh my gosh, they're bringing a whole army here over me saying the club. You're confusing. Okay, I'm not pointing at all.
Wow. I didn't. He said that I didn't do anything. Okay. Where do you want me?